All today we're going to see a case analysis on the problems faced by sunsweet growers on their transportation and distribution management. A small brief introduction about sunsweet growers. Sunsweet growers, the world's largest producer of dried fruits, was looking out for ways to drive down their inventory costs, improve their order lead time, and reduce the transportation costs. Taking into consideration the lead time, that's the pre processing lead time and the post processing lead time. Generally, the pre processing lead time, which is exactly the time taken once the order is taken and to dry down the specification of the particular concern, and the post processing lead time is the process of delivery. So all these put together is a very, very, very biggest problem for sunsweet growers. Now let's start understanding the problem statements which is being faced by sunsweet growers. Limited raw material availability, high seasonal demand for the products, and relatively low margins. And the biggest problem analyzed it's a spreadsheet based tools. So looking into the problem statements, some of the questions to be answered are: what are the constraints on sunsweet growers' supply chain, and what are the solutions to improve forecasting and planning of sunsweet growers? So, going back to the same problem statement, looking into the problem statement, we can find that all the first three problems are relatively based on the products. The first two problems are relatively based on the products. The third one and the fourth one, which is the relatively low margins and spreadsheet based analysis, are on the cost concepts. The spreadsheet based tools, which means the lack of predictive data analysis, is missing with sunsweet growers. That is, the entire organization today is based out of data. The data science plays a predominant role in today's problem solving, and that is being lacked, and that is lagging with sunsweet growers. So, the relative solution to the problem is that they have to look into the forecasting and planning solutions. They have to look into the predictive data analysis solutions, something like in forecasting techniques, a decision tree model, which has to be inculcated into their solutions. So, this is where they have to redesign their network also. So, redesigning is the best solution to remove the constraints which they are facing in their supply chain. So, to a conclusion, we can say that redesigning and bringing in more technology oriented data analysis will be a solution to sunsweet growers. So, to put into a conclusion, when it comes to making supply chain cost reductions that stick, you should explore all the avenues which is available, right from the inventory cost, which includes all your, including your labor cost. Everything has to be taken into consideration to reduce your supply chain cost. Which kind of transportation to be taken? What is the cheapest mode of transportation to do the supply chain? Everything, every avenue has to be explored. However, at the root of the each cost, or which means your high cost, there will be usually be one major factor which requires innovation. Whether it's the network, inventory strategy, the working relationship with supply chain partners, or any other element related to your operations that has to be looked into. And in inculcating your innovation strategy, you have to identify the best possible solution. And the best possible solution for Sunsweet growers is that redesign their network to bring in a low cost supply chain, and also bringing in predictive data analysis to analyze and forecast their sales and operations management. So, with this, I conclude saying that these are the best solutions for Sunsweet growers. So, thank you for listening to me. Myself, Dr. S. Tilaga, Assistant Professor, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.